Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to use Glide in Android Studio. Glide is a powerful and widely recommended open-source library for Android, designed to make image loading incredibly smooth and efficient. It excels at fetching, decoding, and displaying various media types, including images, video stills, and even animated GIF. Glide intelligently handles complex tasks like resizing, caching, and applying transformations, all while integrating deeply with your app's lifecycle for optimal performance. This means less boilerplate code and a better user experience. To begin using Glide, you'll first need to set it up in your Android project. Open your app-level build, Gradle file, and add the Glide dependency, typically using version 4.16.0 or later. For loading images from the internet, remember to declare the internet permission in your Android manifest. XML. Glide requires a minimum SDK version of 14 and should be compiled against SDK version 27 or higher. After adding these, simply sync your project with Gradle to ensure everything is correctly configured and ready to go. Loading images with Glide is remarkably straightforward, often requiring just a single line of code. You start by initializing a Glide request with Glide. With context, passing in your activity or fragment. Next, use the load method to specify your image source, which can be a URL, a local file, or an Android resource. Finally, direct Glide to display the image in your target image view using into Image View. You can also enhance this with options like Placeholder, for loading states, Error, for failures and transformations like Center Crop, or Fit Center. Beyond basic image loading, Glide offers a wealth of advanced features to fine-tune your app's media handling. You can implement custom transformations for unique visual effects or effortlessly display animated GIF. Glide's flexibility allows loading from various sources, including local storage and content URIs. It also provides sophisticated caching mechanisms, both in memory and on disk, to significantly improve performance and reduce network data consumption. Furthermore, its deep lifecycle integration and comprehensive error handling ensure your image loading is both efficient and resilient.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.